Hi guys, so today we'll be dealing with solving trigonometric equation. In the last video we talked about introduction based on trigonometry, basic things and basic simple equation you need to know in solving trigonometric questions. So here we have some examples. We'll be solving some examples today. I will be applying the equations we introduced in the last video. For example, I said simplify the trigonometry equation. Simplify the trigonometry equation below. That is, the question is cos 10 degree divided by sine 80 degree. So to solve this kind of equation, in those equations we introduced in the last videos, we have one equation which relates sine and cos together, that is sine theta equals to cos 90 minus theta. So these are the equations, and we are going to apply this first one to solve this question, that is sine theta equals to cos 90 minus theta. So we need to simplify this. We need to express this sine 80 in terms of cos. So we have sine 80 degrees equals to cos 90 degrees minus 80 degrees. This means that our theta is 80 degrees, so we have sine 80 degrees equals to cos 90 minus 80, that gives us 10, so cos 10 degrees. So we are going to substitute the value of this cos 10 degree for sine 80 degree in this equation. So we have is equals to cos 10 degree divided by, what is our sine 80 degree? Cos 10. Cos 10 degree. So cos 10 divided by cos 10, we cancel out, we are left with 1. So the answer is 1. So we have the second example, which says that if tan theta equals to 3/4, what is cos theta minus sin theta? That is, they ask us to find the value of cos theta minus sin theta. So let's go back to our trigonometry SOHCAHTOA. That is, we all know that SOHCAHTOA means that sine equals to opposite over hypotenuse, and CA means that for this, so sine equals to opposite over hypotenuse, CA means cos equals to adjacent over hypotenuse, tan equals to opposite over adjacent, sine equals to opposite over hypotenuse, while for CA, cos equals to adjacent over hypotenuse, and tan equals to opposite over adjacent. These are the simple formula that is used to calculate special angles, different angles for sine, cos and tangent. So here we are dealing with tangent, that is tan theta. Tan theta equals to opposite over adjacent. If tan theta equals to opposite over adjacent, tan theta equals to opposite over adjacent. If tan theta equals to opposite over adjacent, that is, our value of opposite and adjacent will be 3/4 respectively. So opposite is 3 while adjacent is 4. So let's draw out our triangle. We have a triangle like this, that is right angle triangle, which is, let's say we have our theta here. We don't know the value of our theta. That is, our opposite, where the angle is facing, will be our opposite, which is 3, and our adjacent will be 4. This is our hypotenuse. We don't know the value, so let's represent it with C. Let's say this is side A, side B and C. We don't know the value of our C, so we quickly use our Pythagoras theorem, which says that c square equals to a square plus b square. So what's our c square? C square, we don't know the value, we are going to calculate it. What's our a? Our a is 3 square plus what's our b? B is 4 square. So c square equals to, what's 3 square? 3 square is 9. And also, what's value of 4 square? 4 raised to power 2, that gives us 16. So c square equals to 16 plus 9, that is 25. So we find the square root of both sides to eliminate the square. So we have the value of c as root 25, that gives us 5. The value of c, which is the hypotenuse is 5. So this is 5. And we are asked, don't forget, we are asked to calculate the value of cos theta minus sin theta. So our cos theta equals to adjacent, from SOHCAHTOA to adjacent over hypotenuse. So from this triangle, what is our adjacent? Our adjacent is 4. And what is hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is 5. So what's our sin theta? Sin theta equals to opposite over hypotenuse. So what's our opposite from the triangle? Our opposite is 3, where the angle is facing, it is 3 over, what's the hypotenuse? 5. So we have to calculate cos theta minus sin theta, that is 4 over 5 minus 3 over 5. What's the LCM? Calculate the LCM. The LCM is 5. So we have 5 over, how many 5 can you see in 5? 1. 1 times 4, 4. Minus, how many 5 can you see in 5? 1. 1 times 3, 3. So that gives us 4 minus 3, that is 1 over 5. So this is our answer. This is our final answer for cos theta minus sin theta. I hope you understand. So let's move on to the next example. So our next example states that if sine 58 degrees is equals to cos p degree, what is the value of p? What's the value of p? So to calculate this one, we need to make use of our equation from the equation we listed before, which says that sine theta equals to cos 90 minus theta. So what is our theta from this equation? Our theta is 58 degrees. So sine 58 degrees equals to cos 90 minus 58 degrees. Cos 90 minus 58 degrees. So sine 58 degrees equals to cos, what's the value of 90 minus 58? 90 minus 58, that gives us 32 degrees. So therefore sin theta equals to cos 32 degrees. Therefore our value of p is equals to 32 degrees. So that's it under this example.